Start off today's video with a major hair transformation. Stylist goes in with some color. Add some bangs to the cut. And wow, beautiful bob haircut. She looks absolutely amazing. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be checking out some hair transformations. So here we have someone rocking this gorgeous copper colored hair, and the stylist is adding some layers. Ooh. Wow, she looks absolutely stunning. I love this color on her. Just so beautiful. So next up, the stylist flat irons the hair and adds in some curls. Now this is a great option if you do have thinning hair or thin hair and you're looking for some new ways to add some volume. Curls are going to be your best friend. And the stylist really created a nice feathered appearance within the curls. And it looks like she's going in and doing a bit of an updo. Oh, so beautiful. So she must be getting ready to go to a wedding. And look how feathered the bangs are. Absolutely gorgeous. So then we move into another hair change. She has really pretty salt and pepper hair. Beautiful pixie bob style. Lots of volume and height in the crown. And the color looks breathtaking. So here we have another salt and pepper makeover. Looks like she's getting a bob haircut. Coloring the grays. Oh, very nice. And her style does feature some curtain bangs here. Beautiful. So it looks like the stylist is doing another layered hairstyle for this next one. Oh, Lots of body and volume was added to the strands. Gorgeous. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, don't forget to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So next up, we have another color transformation. Oh, so it looks like she decided to go ash blonde. Wow, so pretty. Alright, you guys, I hope that you have enjoyed checking out all of these hairstyles with me today. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will, of course, see you next time.